how to back up all of your data on Android before the factory reset. Now in order to do that, just simply open your settings app at very first, and after opening the settings application, you can use this magnifier icon in order to search for the reset settings. But if you use Samsung, just simply scroll down until you find this option of general management. Just simply open general management and it will be the reset in this section. Just simply tap to reset button, and after that you will get two options in order to back up your data. First one is temporary cloud backup and second one is external cloud storage backup. Now first, temporary cloud backup, as the name goes, your data will be stored in a temporary cloud storage for 30 days, and if you use the second option, which is external storage backup, you can store your data in any of the hard drive, USB or any other laptop computer for as long as you want. And for your factory data reset, most common practice is the temporary cloud backup. Just simply tap into that. And after that, you just simply need to tap into backup data. Now, after tapping in there, it will search for your data in your device and collect it all at the same place. And from this section, you can very easily pick which data you want to backup or which you don't want to backup. Just simply choose those data you want to backup. And after that, tap to this backup option, and then it will start backing up your data in the cloud storage, and you can reset your phone after completing the backup. I hope this video was helpful to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.